Stop. Before you book another cramped economy seat, what if I told you that the person sipping champagne in business class paid less than you did for your middle seat in row 38? Sounds impossible, right? Wrong. And by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how they did it and how you can too. 15 insider strategies to score flight upgrades. Say goodbye to economy class forever. You purchased an economy ticket, but deep down, you know this isn't what you wanted. Uncomfortable seating, impossible rest, questionable meals. Yet just rows away, passengers recline fully, enjoying premium beverages and quality cuisine on proper dinnerware. Here's the surprising part. They likely didn't pay the standard price. How did they secure these upgrades? More crucially, how can you replicate their success? This guide reveals 15 proven upgrade techniques that knowledgeable travelers employ. Today, to transition from economy to premium seating, some require zero investment. Others demand tactical planning, yet each strategy has demonstrated results, occasionally benefiting travelers lacking elite status. We'll explore beyond basic advice like wearing formal attire or being pleasant with staff. These represent expert insights, strategic timing approaches, and discrete opportunities that could revolutionize your flying experience. Pay special attention to strategy number 15. It's rarely discussed, yet it's helped travelers secure business and first-class seats for prices below economy fares. Let's begin. Strategy 1. Reserve during the optimal time frame. Conventional wisdom suggests early booking guarantees the lowest prices, which frequently holds true. However, when pursuing upgrades, late booking might benefit you instead. The reasoning: airlines avoid departing with vacant premium seats. Approaching departure dates, they reorganize seating arrangements to create economy space, occasionally moving select passengers to upper-class cabins. Booking 24 to 48 hours pre-departure, particularly as a solo passenger, positions you favorably for complimentary operational upgrades. While not guaranteed, success means obtaining premium accommodations at economy costs. This approach improves when paired with Strategy 2, the undesirable seat technique. Strategy 2, the inferior seat approach. Could selecting the plane's worst seat result in an upgrade? This unconventional method proves effective. When flights exceed capacity, airlines redistribute passengers. Who gets priority? Those occupying the most problematic, uncomfortable positions. Think final rows near lavatories or middle seats at the rear. Rather than securing the best economy location, choose the least appealing option. If airlines need space in business class has availability, you might receive priority for upward movement. Though uncertain, flexibility and patience could yield substantial rewards. Strategy 3. Pose this specific question. A check-in time success requires merely asking appropriately. During check-in or upon gate arrival, try, "Hello, I'm curious whether any complimentary upgrades exist today." That's all brief, courteous, and assured. Gate personnel are human, managing overbooked flights, absent passengers, and spontaneous changes. If seats become available and you've created a positive impression, they might remember you. Timing matters. Inquire 45 to 60 minutes pre-boarding when they're organizing seating but not completely overwhelmed. Never demand anything and avoid excessive persistence. Composed, respectful travelers gain recognition. Aggressive ones don't. Strategy 4. Check-in. Timing determines success most. Travelers complete check-in immediately when available. But could waiting slightly improve your business class prospects? This involves operational upgrades, occurring when economy reaches capacity. Checking in nearer to departure with a full economy section might necessitate upward movement. Target 2 to 3 hours pre-flight when seat availability becomes clear. Combined with solo travel or airline credit card possession, your likelihood increases significantly. Experienced flyers establish reminders for optimal check-in timing. Quick inquiry: have you secured an upgrade previously? Share your experience in the comments. Upcoming strategies might finally succeed for you. Strategy 5. Contact them 24 hours early with this request. Most people wait until airport arrival to attempt upgrades. Why not gain advantage through a simple phone call? Approximately 24 hours before departure, contact the airline asking, "Do any bulkhead or extra legroom seats remain available?" Even without securing additional space, something valuable happens. Your name enters the system as a seat modification request. If overbooking causes flight reshuffling, you're already flagged, providing unexpected advantage. If unavailable currently, request notation in your booking indicating willingness to accept later flights or available upgrades. Minimal effort. Yet this small flag occasionally makes all the difference. Strategy 6. Leverage airline status, matching even with another airline loyalty. Here's an underutilized move. Possessing loyalty status with one carrier, even entry-level, often allows matching that status with another airline free of charge. For instance, regularly flying with Qantas, but booking Virgin or Delta permits status match, challenge applications. Granting equivalent benefits like complimentary upgrades, improved boarding positions, and lounge access temporarily. Completing several flights during this period might retain status permanently. Smart flyers utilize this technique across airlines, avoiding rear seating consistently. Upcoming, we'll discuss timing strategies that significantly impact upgrade chances, regardless of points or status. Stay tuned for genuine insider information. Strategy 7. Monitor overbooked flight notifications during online check-in. Most travelers completely miss this, yet experienced flyers deliberately watch for it. During online check-in, typically 24 hours pre-flight, noticed any messages requesting volunteers for later flights. Why significant? This signals overbooking. When occurring, airlines need rapid passenger movement. Here's the strategy. Enter low but reasonable volunteering offers, perhaps $150 credit. This won't commit you, but lists your name. If summoned to the gate, negotiate. Sometimes they'll include upgrade compensation on your rescheduled flight plus payment. This represents rare opportunities for leverage. With flexibility, you could exchange brief delays for business class seating and future credits. Mutually beneficial. Strategy 8. The solo traveler benefit. Flying solo. Congratulations, you're already ahead. Airlines strongly prefer upgrading individual passengers over pairs or groups. Why? Single seats transfer rising, one vacant business class spot. That's your opportunity. Gate agents avoid separating families or companions. Solo passengers offer flexibility, making you ideal when reorganizing seating. Some travelers book individually specifically for this advantage, then reunite with companions at destinations. Traveling with others. Consider separate reservation booking, maintaining upgrade possibilities. Perhaps both succeed. Stay engaged. The next strategy involves overlooked emails potentially securing business class at fractional costs. Most delete them unopened. Avoid this error. Strategy. The pre-flight upgrade email not discarded. Eva received airline emails days before flights offering upgrades, then deleted them. Significant mistake. These aren't spam, they're legitimate offers. Sometimes remarkably affordable. Business class upgrades for merely $100, $300 on international flights occur. Why inexpensive? Airlines prefer filling premium seats discounted rather than flying empty. This represents opportunities for luxury seating without premium pricing. Act quickly offers operate first come, first served, disappearing within hours. Next time, upgrade. Avail appears. Open it. Review the offer and accept if reasonable. Sometimes single clicks leave economy behind. Strategy 10. The hidden airline credit card benefits. Airline credit cards transcend mile accumulation. Actually, superior upgrade perks remain unadvertised. Card possession alone elevates you above regular passengers, especially regarding complimentary upgrades and early check-in priority, without elite status. Cardholders frequently receive preference when systems auto-select upgrade candidates. When paid upgrades become available, cardholders typically get priority access and reduced pricing. Some cards include complimentary companion upgrades, lounge access, and priority boarding, all advantageous. Best aspect: no requirement for 20 annual flights. Simply possess and use the card for bookings. This strategy works continuously across multiple trips. Strategy 11. State this before boarding when flights are fully of. Heard gate agents request volunteers for oversold flights. But did you know offering flexibility could yield more than vouchers? Procedure: arrive at gates 45 to 60 minutes early, stating, "Hello, I'm willing to volunteer if this flight's oversold. I'd also accept an upgrade if available." Low pressure and helpful, this places you on their radar. If passenger redistribution becomes necessary, you've simplified their task, and courteous. Proactive passengers more likely receive last-minute benefits. Sometimes offers include airline credit plus business class on subsequent flights. This approach has secured both upgrades and compensation for travelers. It's not about aggression, it's about early arrival, flexibility, and planting ideas. Strategy 12. Utilize points strategically. Beyond free flights, most accumulate airline points for complimentary tickets, but knowledgeable travelers recognize optimal point usage. Upgrades. Why? Upgrades frequently provide substantially higher point value than economy seat redemptions. Example: using 25,000 points. Moving from economy to business on international flights might save $1,500 or more. Plus, some airlines permit combining points with cash for discounted upgrades, particularly 24 to 72 hours pre-departure. After booking, log into accounts, checking upgrade options, using miles. Bonus: with dynamic pricing. Check repeatedly. Upgrade costs fluctuate and can drop dramatically. Still ahead. The boldest approach yet. Potentially landing first class without spending anything. Strategy 15. Merits. Anticipation. But first, let's reveal 2 additional powerful techniques. Strategy 13. Don't dismiss last-minute email offers you've booked flights and packed bags. Then days before departure, airline emails arrive. Special upgrade offer, limited time only. Familiar? Many travelers ignore these, assuming excessive cost or just marketing. However, these last-minute upgrade offers can be surprisingly affordable business. Class for several $100s or fewer points than regular seat bookings. Airlines prefer filling premium seats over empty departures. As departure nears, upgrade prices sometimes drop significantly. Upon receiving these emails, don't delete them. Log in, examine offers, and compare costs to normal pricing. You might be amazed at accessibility. Strategy 14. Broken seat or potential upgrades passes, an unusual secret few consider. If your seat malfunctions or shows minor defects, it could liberate you from economy. This includes broken recline mechanisms, faulty tray tables, non-functional entertainment screens, anything affecting comfort. The key: inform flight attendants immediately after boarding. Say, "Hello, just notifying you my seat won't recline, and I wondered if alternatives existed. If economy's full but business or premium economy has space, they may relocate you. Not guaranteed, and definitely don't fabricate problems, but with politeness and early reporting, it could work favorably." One traveler secured first class after their armrest wouldn't lift. Success depends on timing, honesty, and respectful communication. Now for the major revelation. This next strategy is bold, unexpected, and among the most powerful upgrade techniques available. Let's conclude with travel's best-kept secret. Before revealing the ultimate upgrade trick, take a moment to subscribe. I share practical real-world travel strategies weekly. Trust me, you won't want to miss upcoming content. Strategy 15. Intentionally booked the wrong flight. Correct. You read that accurately? Savvy travelers discovered a clever booking loophole, securing business class, sometimes below economy costs. It's called fare class optimization. Here's the method. Instead of searching direct economy tickets from point A to point B, locate multi-leg flights, including premium cabins, often on connecting segments. For example, wanting Sydney to Bangkok. Flights. Rather than booking direct, search Sydney to Tokyo with Bangkok layovers. Sometimes airlines offer heavily discounted business class fares on low-demand routes, especially when filling long-haul seats. Book the complete journey, but only fly neither segments. You're in business class on superior aircraft with full benefits for less than direct economy tickets. Risks exist, like checked baggage reaching final destinations. But flying carry-on only with proper research, this strategy proves golden. It's bold, niche, and one of the upgrade playbook's most powerful techniques. Which strategy will you attempt first? Share in the comments. Tell friends tired of economy flying. I'll see you next time. Safe travels.